Okay, welcome to Math 580, History of Math. So, I'm going to do just a really short intro thing about what you need to do and what you need to turn in, and then we'll pause it and we'll come back with an actual video for content for this day. My plan is for this class to make recordings in Commerce, and I'll do a Monday recording and a Wednesday recording because that's when I'm meeting here in Commerce 2 days a week, and then I'll load them up and have them into D2L so that you guys can see them as soon as I get them. So, hey, come on in. So that's my plan, and I will let you know as things go along. So you have some stuff in D2L you need to start looking at. The first one is there's introductions. And there are details about how you'll do your introductions. So go online. For this one, you'll need to go into Find Our Class and go into Activities, and then go into Discussions. And follow the directions. Notice that there are 4 things I'm asking you to do. If each one of those is evenly weighted, 25%, so you'll get a grade for doing the activity. You either did all 4 or you didn't. So don't be surprised if you leave one of the things off and you only get a 75 on the assignment. The second thing is the information sheet. So if you go into the content in week 1, down at the bottom there's a document that's called info, and you can fill that guy out and put it into D2L and drop it for me back into, there should be a Dropbox or a folder that's called info sheet, and you can just drop it in there for me. The third thing that I want you to do is work on your first project. Which this is an email. You're going to email to me, pamela.webster@tamuc.edu. And this is going to include your math autobiography. What I mean by that is, why are you here? Why math? If you want to be a math teacher, why? Is there some teacher in your background that's made you be this way? The second thing is anything special about you that might affect your class participation and stuff like that. And the third thing is something cool that you did this last year, or somebody asked me in my earlier class, can it be future plans? So yes, if you have a plan for this summer to do something cool, then sure, send me that in an email. The last thing is a syllabus quiz. And to access that, you'll go into activities and then quizzes. All assignments are due in 1 week. So for our purposes, for this class, that is a holiday in 1 week. So whenever you get there and it's a holiday and you're like, oh my gosh, I gotta load this stuff, you had a week to do it, so don't be